Hi, this is Prithviraj. In today's session, we are going to discuss about Huffman code and Huffman tree. Huffman code is mainly used for encoding or decoding the data. Huffman coding is mainly developed by David Huffman in the year of 1951. This is used to encode the given data and it is also called as data compression technique. The tree which is constructed using Huffman algorithm is called as Huffman tree. Let us discuss the steps one by one. First is calculate the frequency of characters if it is not given. Suppose if the frequency is not mentioned, then first thing is we have to calculate the frequency of individual characters. Sort the characters in ascending orders based on their frequencies. Extract two characters with the minimum frequency to construct a binary tree. Create a new internal node with the frequency equal to the sum of the two nodes' frequencies. Add this node to the existing list or existing table. Repeat the steps from 2 to 5 for all the characters with its frequencies. The final constructed tree will be the Huffman tree. So these are all the steps that you have to perform to construct a Huffman tree. Now this is the given problem. Construct the Huffman tree for the following data and obtain its code. Now within this table, two things are given. One is character, another is probability. If the probability is not given, then we have to calculate the frequency of each and every characters. Now here the probability is already given. So the first question is we have to encode the text bad_AC. Second question is decode the text whose encoding is 1100110110. Okay, so this is the given question. And as per the given data, we have the characters and probabilities. The first thing is we have to sort the characters based on their frequencies or probabilities. Now this is the sorted one starting from 0.1 to 0.5. The first thing is we have to take the two characters with its minimum frequency or minimum probability. So first we have to take the node D as well as underscore. Okay, so these are the two nodes and we have to construct a binary tree with the new node. Okay, so for the new node will be the sum of two frequencies, that is 0.1 plus 0.2. So new node has been constructed based on the sum of two frequencies. Now add this new node data into existing list or existing table. Now that will be recorded here. So for D underscore we got it as 0.3 and next data is as it is which were there in the present table. For the next case we have to consider the two nodes with the minimum frequencies, that is 0.3 and 0.35. Now construct a node with 0.3 along with 0.35, that is node B. Now the new node with the data, that will be the sum of 0.3 and 0.35, which is equal to 0.65. Add this new node data into the existing list. So we will get, now this is in the sorted order, 0.4, 0.5, 0.5 and lastly 0.65 that we obtained just now. Next again we have to take the minimum two frequencies, that is 0.4 and 0.5. So node E and A, construct a binary tree for this. We'll get the new node with the frequency or probability as 0.9, and remaining nodes, that will be as it is, and in the table we'll get the data 0.5, 0.65 and 0.9. Next is we have to consider again the minimum two frequencies, that is 0.5 and 0.65. So let us take two nodes. One is C with the probability 0.5. Another is already we have constructed for D underscore B, and the resulting probability was 0.65. Now again we have to combine these two and we will get the new node with its data as 0.5 plus 0.65, that will be 1.15, and another node that will be as it is for now. Let us record this so that in our list or in our table we'll get 0.9 and 1.15. So 0.9 for EA, 1.15 for CD underscore B. Lastly, we'll combine those two, that is 0.9 and 1.15. So resulting we'll get it as 2.05. Now this is the total probability for all the characters, and whatever the tree that we can see is called as a Huffman tree. But one thing is remaining here. What you have to do is we have to provide or we have to give the numbering for every branches. Now the left branch will be numbered with 0 and right branch will be numbered with 1. Like this. So this is the complete Huffman tree. But our question was encode the text bad underscore AC and decode the text whose encoding which are given. Now we don't know what is B, what is A, D and all those things. So what you have to do is we have to record the encoding for individual characters. Now for A, we know that we have to record the path from root to the leaf node, and here one thing we can observe that all the leaf nodes are the characters. Okay, so every characters which are placed at the leaf nodes. Now for A, if I consider the first character as A, we have to take the path from root node to that leaf node called A. So the path is 0, 1. So the encoding or the code for A is 0, 1. Similarly for B is 1, 1, 1. For C it is 1, 0. For D it is 1, 1, 0, 0. For E it will be 0, 0. And lastly for underscore it is 1, 1, 0, 1. Now you can easily encode the text called BAD underscore AC. So for B it is 1, 1, 1. Similarly for all the rest of the characters we can add the code. So for BAD underscore AC we can write it as 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And easily we can decode the text whose encoding which are given, and that will be equal to D underscore C. So this is how we can easily encode or decode the data using Huffman tree or Huffman coding. And one thing, as I told in the beginning, it is also used for data compression technique. Like we know that for each and every individual characters, it will be every character will be of 1 byte, which is equal to 8 bits, and BAD underscore AC we have totally 6 characters, so 6 into 8, 48 bits. For bad AC we have 48 bits, and that will be converted into binary coding. So in the binary code every digits will take only 1 bits, so that has converted into 17 bits. That means we have compressed the data from 48 bits to 17 bits. So this is one of the major advantage of Huffman coding. So this is the problem for you. based on this, construct the Hoffman tree for this following data and encode CAD, CS and decode the following data. Thank you.